Hello viewers of Happy Minds Academy. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are again back to solve one another aptitude question. What is the highest number between 4000 and 5000 which when divided by 12, 16 and 24 would leave a remainder 4. So in the sum number first enna pannanom appadina LCM of 12, 16 and 24 kandupidikanum. LCM of 12, 16 and 24. So 12 abdingrache we can write as 2 square into 3. 16 we can make it as 2 to the power 4 and 24 as 2 to the power 3 into 3. So namakku finally so the LCM நம்ம எடுக்கும்போது we'll get LCM as 48. Okay. நமக்கு இங்க என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க? Find the highest multiple, highest number between 4000 and 5000. Okay. So நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா we are taking 5000 and we are dividing it by 48. So நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னா approximate 104.16. Okay. So நம்ம இப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா multiplying these two 148 into 104 we get as 4992. ஆனா இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க would leave a remainder 4. So adding 4 to this 4992 ஓட நம்ம add பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா we'll get 4996. Okay. So நம்மளோட நம்பர் வந்து இதுதான் 4996. Now check பண்ணிக்கலாமா 4996 when it is divided by 12 we'll get 416 with remainder 4. With remainder 4. Okay. 496 when it is divided by 16 we'll get 312 with remainder 4 with again remainder 4. Okay. Now 4996 when it is divided by 24 we get 208 with the remainder 4. Remainder 4. So நமக்கு 4996 the number. ஏன்னா நம்ம divide பண்ணி check பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது கூட we get remainder as 4. Hope this video is useful. Please subscribe for more such videos.